We have seen what is meant by lifetime of a variable and the scope of a variable. Now we will see what is meant by storage class in C. So every variable in C will have a data type that you are aware of already. Because when you declare a variable int a, it means that the data type of the variable a is integer. When you declare a variable like float a, it means that the data type of the variable a is float. Similarly, a variable in C also has something known as a storage class. So all variables have a data type and also a storage class. There are 4 different types of storage classes in C, and they are automatic storage class, external storage class, static storage class, and register storage class. We will look into the details of all these 4 storage classes with the help of some examples. And as we have seen in the previous video, what is meant by scope and lifetime of a variable. Scope of a variable determines over what region of the program a variable is actually available for use. That we have seen with an example. The lifetime or longevity of a variable, it is also known as longevity of a variable, refers to the period during which a variable retains a given value during the execution of a program. That also we have covered what is the lifetime of a variable when you declare it inside a main function and when you declare it in a particular function, such as function a in the previous example. So those details are already explained. So we will move on to the next slide, the storage classes. The first one of them is automatic storage class. Automatic storage class variables are declared inside a function in which they are to be utilized. So when you declare a variable inside a function, like in the previous example, we have declared m and n inside the main function, and we have declared a variable a inside the function func a. So those variables are called automatic variable, or in other words, you can say the storage class of those variables are automatic. So automatic variables are declared inside a function. That is the point to be noted here. It should be declared inside a function. And these variables are created when the function is called and destroyed when automatically when the function is exited. Hence they are called automatic variables. So here also the previous example you can take. When you declare a variable a inside the function a, it will be created when the function is called and it will be destroyed when the function is exited. So they are known as automatic variables. One more point we have to notice that automatic variables are local to the function in which they are declared. Or else you can say the scope of the automatic variables are local to the function in which they are declared. Hence automatic variables are also known as local or internal variables. They are also known as internal variables. So the scope is inside the function. And the next point is lifetime of an automatic variable will be till the function lasts. That also we have seen in the previous example. When the value inside a will be when the value inside a is incremented by 1, it is lost when it exits the function. The next time when it reaches the function again, the value will not be there. So the lifetime will be only till the function lasts. And automatic variable will have some garbage value if not initialized explicitly. That is also slightly mentioned in the previous example. That is when you declare a variable int a and prints its value without putting any value in it, it will print some garbage value. So the initial value of automatic variable, if you do not put any value inside it, will be some garbage value. And how will you declare how can you say that the storage class of my variable is automatic? You can specify the data type of a variable by putting the data type before the variable name. For example, int space a. Because how can you say that my variable is automatic? You don't have to say anything. Any variable declared inside a function without storage class specification is by default an automatic variable. So that means all the variables we have used up to now are automatic variable. You don't have to mention any other keywords before the variable. For example, this is the main function, and when you declare int n, this means that the data type of the variable n is integer and the storage class is automatic. How can you say that it is an automatic storage class? Because this variable is declared inside a function. In this case, the function is main. So any variable declared inside a function is called an automatic storage class. You can also use a keyword called auto to specify that this variable is an automatic storage class variable. But you don't have to put it explicitly. Even if you don't put the keyword auto before the data type, it will be an automatic storage class. So before moving into the next storage class, let's see this in our previous example. In this example, there are three variables, m, n in the function main, and a in the function a. Here, the storage classes of variables m, n, and a are automatic, because we know that when a variable is declared inside a function, it is automatically automatic storage class. You can also put auto in here, but that doesn't make any change. Both of them are same. Here also a is an automatic storage class variable because it is declared inside a function, and all the points mentioned in the slide remains the same. That means the scope of a variable is within the function in which it is declared, and the lifetime of a variable is till the function lasts, and the initial value, if you don't put any value inside the variable, will be some garbage value. So that's it about automatic storage class.